Good morning, everybody. Gonna be washing out some shirts and some onesies. Everybody coming along for the ride. Gonna see what we got.
This one was Glacier and what is this one?
Glacier. What other color did he use? I don't remember.
I don't either now. Dang. I bet whatever it is in the basket over there.
Yeah. Wasn't lime pop, was it? Looks too dark to be lime pop, doesn't it?
Oh wait. Did we do Granny Apple and Glacier and then lime pop and Cayman Isle?
I think that's what it was.
Is that what we did?
Yeah.
I was about to say, I was like, bro. We need to start writing it down.
Yeah.
Because I get all types of confused. It's whatever we say in the beginning.
Yeah. We always get it right when we're dyeing them, so. We just don't remember the next day when we're washing them out.
It's always the next day that we're like, okay, which one was which?
All the titles and all are correct, though, because obviously we make those when we're making the video of us dyeing them, so we do know what they are.
Right. It's whatever we say at the beginning.
Yeah. But these videos are 100% unscripted, in case y'all were wondering, folks. So, anything you hear us say just came on the top of our head.
Yeah. Okay, so this was Granny Apple and Glacier.
Yeah.
We figured out.
Yeah, and the other one was the lime. That's the lime pop and
Cayman Isle.
Cayman Isle. To the inside. I think that one's gonna come out really good. This is a new pattern for us too. We've never tried to fold a pleated shirt over like that. So let's see what we got. I'm very interested in this one. Looks like we left a good amount of white. That's good.
Weird.
What's that?
I caught a glimpse of it. The pattern.
Oh man. Man.
Okay, interesting.
That's yeah. I like it. It's
I've
definitely
never
unique.
seen one like that.
No. I don't think anyone's ever tied one up like this though either, so this was another one of those thinking on the fly situations.
I like it though.
I do too. I think it looks good. Check it out. Be for sale on Etsy.
Yeah. Yeah, Granny and Glacier were the last two in the basket.
Granny and Glacier.
Yeah, so I know that's the last two.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good. Look at all the different striations and lines. Came out really good. Tri-folded over, pleated vertically 2-color tie-dye tee. Just came right to her when she was folding it. Not anything we'd ever seen before or prior plan. It was just a spur of the moment idea, and it came out pretty good. If you like it, check it out on Etsy. It'll be for sale there, most likely. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.